Hi, Debbie here. Well, Craft Supplies for You is having a design team call, so I thought I would submit something and try out for it. So I just wanted to show you my submission. This is a little fabric teapot. So this is what I'm showing for my submission for the, and it also goes by KS4U, Craft Supplies for You. So this is the little fabric teapot that I made. And we've got the Chinese braid. It goes around the whole teapot. It frames it out like that. And we have a little silver spoon over here. And you know this image, I love this little image. I use it a lot, as a matter of fact. We got some real pretty cotton trim with a little ribbon trim going through. And then some little appliques with roses. A little butterfly and a stick pin. And this real pretty embellishment there. And it says, take a little time for tea. And the back is just, the back is just plain. I didn't do anything on the back because it just sits out like this. So you don't really see the back. So this is my submission. I was just going to zoom in a little bit on it so you can see it like that. That's it. So yeah, so this is my submission, and I hope they like it. And I want to thank all of you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.